Good day, guys. It's your boy Peter. It's another one. So, first of all, this video is about how to set up your bots. And then second of all, we're gonna set the EA AUTOBOT, which is about 2000 Rand. So guys, with all that being said, I want you to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment if ever you have anything to say. I would really appreciate it. I would do concern of what you guys think about the whole thing. So guys, please bear with me. Watch to the end. And yeah, here we go. Thank you guys. So guys, let's begin. So how do we add an expert advisor into the chart? Your MetaTrader 4, your MetaTrader 5. It's basically the same thing, guys, with what we did with the FVP indicator on the previous video. So what you do, you go to your meter code language editor, and then you just locate your file where you've saved your file for your Forex Villa AUTOBOT. So I don't like to make things complicated for me. I'm just gonna go for the version 2. Open the version 2 over there. So here we go. I've got version 2 over here. Just press Ctrl A and say copy and go to another window. Now we're on an expert advisor. We're no longer on a custom indicator. Just press next and just give it a name, EA AUTOBOT. And you just press next. So all these settings, they're gonna be overwritten by the algorithm, and just press Ctrl A and just backspace, and then you paste your algorithm and just say compile, and there you go. I've got some few bugs, about 8 of them. That's why you're seeing that 8 warnings with the algorithm, just to protect my algorithm from being copied and all those things. So if ever you're copying it from someone like this, it's gonna give you 8 warnings. So those 8 warnings there is just a way for me of protecting my software. So guys, the settings for it, for the AUTOBOT, yeah, you can decrease your lot size. Your magic number, you can change it if you want, but you can leave it the same, doesn't make any difference. So your lot sizes, it's 0.1, you can go to 0.01, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 10 lots, whatever, based on what you want. But I'd always advise stick to what I've recommended on the manual. And then here we go, we've got your stop loss, your take profit, you can put 30, your trailing stop, 10 there. So here's how it works. For 30 pips, it's equivalent to 300 points. And then 10 pips is equivalent to 100 points. And now we'll go back to our trading terminal. You've seen how we were on the meter code language editor. You can either access it from here, or you can either access it from tools and just go to meter code language editor. But you've seen that with the Forex Villa indicator. So I've just missed a step for this video. So before you can add in expert advisor, you need to go to meter code language editor. You can go to tools, meter code language editor, and repeat these steps. We located our EA, and you just open it and open another window. You go to new, and then we came and pasted here. As you can see, there's 0.130 and so on and so on. So we're done with that part. We'll go back to the trading terminal itself. So we've already added our expert advisor. So you go under experts. There we go. There's our boy there. And there are 2 things that I want you to do before you can attach the expert advisor into the chart. Let's say Euro USD. So I want you to go to tools, go to options, expert advisor, allow automated trading, disable all those things. It's fine. Don't click anything. Just these 2, they have to be on, and just say okay. And as you can see here, there's auto trading there in the middle of set. Once it's green, it means like it has been enabled, but once it's red like that, it means it has been disabled. So we want it to be green. So now the only market that's open over here is Bitcoin Saturday. So you just right click on your board, say attach to chart, and then here the settings for Bitcoin, they're there for on the guide. So for 500 points on the guide, like on Bitcoin, we recommend 50,000, and for take profit is gonna be the same 50,000. And your trailing stop loss, I wanna trail my stop loss after each and every 100 points of movement. So 100 points is equivalent to 10,000 on Bitcoin, because the money is high there. And you say, okay, you don't change slippage, you can change lot size, because this is broker with with high leverage. And I just like to be on the safe side. I've got less money there, 319 on my account, and just say okay. And once you attach it, there you go, you see there's a smile on your expert advisor, and it just open a buy position automatically. And you see on comment section it says EA AUTOBOT, and that's how you install your expert advisor into the trading terminal. So let's say now let's say this is in profit, and now you want to take off your profit before it hits TP, or and so on and so on and so on. Maybe you have another reason or whatever you want to do with it. As you can see, TP and SL has been placed automatically by the bot. But let's say it's in profit now, you can't stay any longer. You just want to take your profit and go. Just press auto trading. Once it's disabled, you just close the position manually, and once you close it position manually, you go to your broker and withdraw. And as you can see over here, you will see a set phrase just to show you it won't open any other position. But if auto trading is on, it will open another position automatically, even after closing that position. So just to minimize that, just make sure auto trading is off, so that it doesn't open any other position. As you can see, if I go on a recommended time frame, it will open another position. But I don't want it to open another position after I close. I switch off auto trading first, so that I can close my position. If I open auto trading again, the board will automatically open another position. But if I switch off and close it, so guys, I'm losing my phone, but I'm just showing you this video. So yeah, there we go. Just close that. And guys, thank you for watching. This is it. This is the end. Oh, okay, let's go to MT5. So same thing with this one. You do the same thing. Algo trading is off, so that side it's auto trading. Here it's algo trading. You go to your meter code language editor. It's gonna open just in a moment. You go locate the file for MT5. You go to documents, Forex Villa Pro, Kenny, just open it. So for you, it depends on where you save the documents, and you do the same thing. Control A, copy, go to new, expert advisor, say next, type in here EA AUTOBOT V2, and that's it. Say next. All this will be overwritten by the algorithm. Press Control A, backspace, and then now you paste compile. And again, 0 warning, 0 errors. So only M24. And then now you go back to your trading terminal, and the expert advisors, you open the expert advisor. There you go, you get your expert advisors, and you can attach to chart. And you go back to tools again, say options, expert advisors, allow trading, disable those two, and click that and say okay. That's it. Your algo trading now is on. You can also switch it from here. You can attach the board the same way, attach to chart, and say okay. The only thing is, now this market is not open because it's weekend. It will be off like that. So guys, you've seen how automated trading works. You've seen how your board is set up and the advantages of having it on VPS all the time. So guys, this video, you can visit it anytime, rewatch it if there's ever anything that you don't understand, because we covered most of the aspects of automated trading, of algorithm trading. And guys, do stick to the guides, to the instructions on the guide, and test the robot as much as you can on the demo accounts. If ever like you're still not sure, or if ever like you're still trying out on these things that I've explained on the video. Guys, from my side, Man of Wealth, AA AUTOBOT, the risk management AUTOBOT, and the indicator itself. Those are the tools I use on a daily basis, and they are the things that made me who I am, and this is what is making Forex Villa Pro Forex Villa Pro. So guys, visit our website, go to our online store. You can buy the boat from those platforms and everything, so that it's easier for you guys. We're just trying to make it a user-friendly platform as much as we can. So guys, leave a comment, let me hear what you're saying, guys. If ever there's anything, do contact me through our platforms, Telegram, WhatsApp. I'm always keen to answer your texts. Our service, guys, is on another level. I'm sure most of you are happy because I haven't received any negative reviews regarding the services. So guys, do visit the website, check out the ebooks as well as the boards. Guys, wish you all the best. I love you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.